everyone, it's Ashley here, and the other day I went on Instagram and decided to ask my Insta story fam how I should style my hair. I honestly didn't know what I wanted to do with my hair, so I thought this was a perfect timing to let y'all decide what I'm gonna do this week with my hair. On top of that, I also let you guys choose what products I was gonna use as well. So I just put the question box and you guys could fill it with any hairstyle. Surprisingly, the one that got the most suggestions was a rod set. I haven't done a rod set in a really long time. Maybe that's why it was suggested the most. But after I saw that, I'm like, all right, am I gonna do a Flexi Rod set or am I doing a perm rod set? So I went on Insta stories, asked, all right, what do y'all want? Flexi Rod set, perm rod set. They decided on a Flexi Rod set, and then after, I was like, all right, what products should I use? I put the Camille Rose Curl Love and Curl Maker as an option because I love that for all styles. I use that for my wash and goes, my twist outs. I've used it for my slick back buns. And then the other option was the new Pattern Beauty leave-in conditioner. And this was a perfect time to pair it with a styler and see how it works. And then I paired it with the Eden Body Works Papaya Castor foam conditioner. So for that one, the Pattern Beauty leave-in and the foam conditioner from Eden Body Works actually won. So that's how I'm gonna be styling my hair today. So since I know how I'm gonna style my hair and what I'm gonna use, let's get started. Okay, so I washed my hair and I had it in the towel for a little bit so it's nice and damp. I'm using the Pattern Beauty leave-in conditioner as my base. I'm just applying that to each section of hair. And then as I was doing this, I decided I wanted to do the Flexi Rod set on blown out hair. So I'm using a heat protectant from Bumble to make sure my hair is nice and protected when I do this blowout so my curls don't get damaged in any way. I'll be using my Golden Hot blow dryer with the comb attachment. This is my favorite blow dryer for my blowouts. It just makes it super easy to do. So I'm gonna run this through each section of hair, and then we're gonna get started on the Flexi Rod set. For this Flexi Rod set, I decided to go with medium sections of hair for each Flexi Rod, and I'm going to be going in with the Eden Body Works Papaya Castor foam conditioner, using about 1 to 2 pumps for each section. I'm running that through my hair, and then I'm going to grab my orange Flexi Rod. I'm going to use all orange Flexi Rods for my hair. I forget the size of it, and this is how I roll my hair. So I've done this before in other videos. I'll link them down below. I like to tuck under the ends and then do the twist and roll method. So you see there, I'm rolling, then twisting, rolling, then twisting till I get to the top of my roots, and then I'm going to bend over the Flexi Rod to secure the rod in place. So let me show you it again because I understand it can be a little confusing. So you want to make sure your ends are tucked under and you roll that onto the rod, and then you start twisting and rolling your hair onto the rod as you make your way up towards your roots. Once you get to your roots, bend the Flexi Rod over the root to secure it in place. Make sure it's going over the root and not behind it, because then your rod is just going to fall out. So I'm going to show you again here. Twist and roll until you get to your roots, secure it in place, and you're good to go. In total, I used about 24 rods. Now I'm going to sit under the dryer and let my hair dry. Now we are good to go. So I'm going to unravel each curl and take them down gently so we don't cause any extra frizz. Now that all the rods are out, the next thing we're gonna do is separate the curls. So you're just gonna split them up. And I like to twirl my finger around just to smooth out the curl and make sure that there is no frizz. You'll notice your hair will frizz out if you're going the wrong way. It's not going the way of the curl. So just make sure you're twirling your finger the way the curl is going. And last but not least, I'm gonna add some volume. I don't want to fluff too much and lose definition, just doing it at the roots. And here is the final look. I think it's gorgeous. I'm so happy I revisited a rod set. So shout out to my Insta story fam. Now it's your turn here on YouTube. Let me know what style I should do and what products I should use. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next video.